Farscape Engineers Inspect the Summary video. Here we are on the little nook, and the Farscape we need to put back the ladder that was here before on that side wall there, down to the ground. Hopefully it's going to be a folding ladder instead of the old ladder. Farscape, original grading, some original hardware. They changed some bolts, they didn't change some other bolts. They did some cement. Okay, not okay, but some bolts changed, some bolts not changed. But she's ready for load testing. She needs a paint job, so she's already shown her age. So some minor cement work, especially in this corner. That corner is a little messed up, needs cement work, 25%, and some other, cementing over here. And she does have a gusset, original hardware in the gusset, but ready for load test. Okay, the treads, some new ones, some old ones. As you can see, they changed all the bolts on all the treads. They left some of the rust inside, very typical of a repair. So if you want, you can just seal that. Since it's got a new bolt, you want to seal it so that doesn't get any more water in its future. So several options when it comes to either a bronze, silver, or gold repair. So let's see, going down the treads are going good. Okay, she's resting on a copper roof, so we should lift this as best we can and put in a piece of 1 1/4 PT underneath this. Otherwise, this iron is going to eat that copper, and then she's going to start leaking in the store below. This is a store down below. Little baby catwalk over here, 4 to 8 inches high, and then this catwalk has got to come out a little bit to either feed. I would feed the ladder system off of this catwalk. There's an AC unit of some kind there, so she's either going to have to be put back here on this right side, so the catwalk would have to go out 24 inches and feed it. They own this much property on that side, so it should have no problem, no need to speak with the owners next door. Or it could be a ladder system here, 18 inches from here to here, and that could be a possibility if we want to do the ladder here, and so that it basically, which could be the best way, so that you basically turn around, go ass out, and then feed. You're looking at the ladder this way, and you're going straight down. So this may be, we'll draw it in. No catwalk needed over there, because nobody's coming from there this way. It seems that this is the main window through the kitchen area. So there's a block here, so most likely that's a bedroom, that's a bathroom, this is a kitchen area. This is how everybody would exit. This is one of the other only people that can exit, but he has a door on the back corner. But that's what needs to be done here. Okay, cement issues, need a little gate here, but this will all be configured properly. Any questions, Farscape Engineers?